Welcome back, Storm Survivors. It's your boy Stormer16, and today we are doing something that I'm really excited for this today. Today we're going to be setting up my AEROGARDEN. If I turn this down over here, you can see I got it right over here. Now I did want to point this out before we get started. I think this is what this is for. Once again, keep in mind this is all beginning. I'm beginning with this, so if I do this wrong, don't judge me, YouTube viewers. I have read the instructions and I've watched a few things. My other instructions are around here somewhere, but I need to get this video done because some of my friends have been wanting to see this, so I'm going ahead and get it started. So especially my grandma who got me this for my graduation party. So from what I remember, and I'm not gonna judge too much on what this is, I still have a simple instructions, basically how to get it started. From what I remember is you plug it in, you hold the light on switch, it's like light on and off switch for 3 seconds. And what that does is set these two ready to go. And hold on one second. Sorry about that. My door literally just notched open. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna be plugging this in here. I'm gonna plug this up here. And yes, I'm doing this over in my kitchen area because I plan to be doing some, once we get we don't have my stove currently hooked up right now, but I don't actually plan to be doing that. I got a camping stove for my graduation party, and I plan to be using that a lot. And I will be showcasing that. I haven't even unboxed it yet. I'm going to do an unboxing video on that. So I'm plugging it in. Look at that. See how it's flashing down here? Oh, I literally don't have to do nothing. So, oh, okay. Okay, so it should be automatically reset, so all we gotta do... Oh, I can feel the warmth. I can feel the warmth, dude. This thing is awesome. So, we have not quite got set up yet. It wants me to add the water and food, so we shall be doing that right now. Now, I've already got my water pre-mixed. It said... I can't explain exactly 100% correct. It said to do a mixture of water. So we have a filter. We have a filtered water thing. This was already plain drinking water from the store. It was halfway filled. We had drunk half from the store, and I just filled it up with the rest with regular tap water because it's supposed to be a fairly even mixture between the two. So basically, all we do is fill to here. So we're supposed to fill it. Sorry, it's a little wet. We're supposed to fill it to the top of this. So right about there. Okay. I may have overdone it a little bit. Oh, and see, it's already re-watering it. It's already pre-watered. We do not have our seeds in. We're going to go ahead and put our seeds in. I do not... from what I remember, I watched the video on this as well. From what I remember, I'm going to go ahead and get my little seed pots in there. Now I have, I am using the delivered seed pods. I plan to be doing other... Do I like push it down or something? Is that what I do? I don't know what I do. I'm trying to be very gentle with this, just because I'm not exactly sure what. Okay, it just clicks in there. I guess that's what am I supposed to be clicking it? I don't know if I'm actually supposed to be clicking it or not. I'm trying to be gentle, but at the same time, firm, so I just know I'm doing everything correctly. Now, I'm really excited for this, YouTube viewers. I cannot wait to see some sprouts. Now, I'm going ahead and put on the caps here, because they send these little trays, and I'm very sure that you put this, they're supposed to go on over top of here, so like, I guess for like, to keep bugs off and stuff. I'm putting this on just so I know I'm doing everything correct. And then all we gotta do now is to add the food. Now, it has instructions on the food. So for 6 to 7 pods, you need 8 ml. 8 mls. But how do I? Let's see. I don't know how to judge that. So what I think I'll do is, so it wants me to add food. The food light is not currently blinking, but this bottle's being a little stubborn. It's you know what? You want to be that stubborn? You want to be that stubborn? I can be just as stubborn. Hold on. I'm gonna fix this really quickly here, YouTube viewers. If this bottle wants to be that stubborn, we can be stubborn. Aha! Pencil with a point. There we go. And let me just pull it open. Now this is just a liquid food. Now I don't know how much the 16 mls is, so I'm just going to basically use this sort of as my judgment. I'm going to use about that much. I'm not going to do too much. Okay, so I've added the food. So basically I just put that back on. I hope that was enough. It may not have been enough, but I hope that's enough. And now it is set up. And all we gotta do now is, keeping on these 2 lights. And we can literally, what I think I'm gonna do is I'm also gonna first off, you know what? I don't know if I put enough, so I'll just put this on with the plant food on it. And there we go. I cannot wait to have some delicious produce. Now, this is just herbs right here. I just went ahead and used the pre-seeded seed pods that they gave me. One, because I have never used an AEROGARDEN before, YouTube viewers, so keep that in mind. I'm going to be learning this as I go along with this channel. And if you guys like this gardening series, this is a brand new series that I'm going to be doing with you. And we're going to be checking in each week. At the end of each week, we are going to be checking in and seeing if this is actually good, which is actually pretty good. I actually started recording this on the perfect day because it is in fact Saturday, the ending day of the week. So I actually did not realize that, but perfect. So every Saturday we're going to be coming back, checking and see how our sprouts are doing. We're going to obviously it says every 2 weeks, you're going to need to put plant food in. Now, it should blink. The light should blink when you need to put more food in, so I'm hoping it does that. If not, I'm just going to remember every 2 weeks. I'm going to try to remember every 2 weeks to just put it in myself, in case the light does not work. Hopefully it does. I do not know if I actually preset it already, like if it's already preset or nothing. Also, one thing I would like to showcase about this AEROGARDEN is once your plants get pretty big, back here on the back end of this thing, sorry, I have a Dr. Pepper box down here by my feet, where's the button? You can actually, I forget, where's the button? Oh, here's the button. You can raise and lower the light. I don't know, yeah, you can see that? I'm going to keep it right here because this is the optimal growing height for now. I hope I'm going to leave these on, it's supposed to be between 15 hours, but what I'm going to do is, and I don't think I have it preset to turn on and off, so what I'm going to do is just, for now, until I figure out how to preset that timer, I'm just going to be turning it on in the morning when I wake up, which I wake up pretty early, so they're going to get plenty of hours, because I wake up around between 5 to 6 o'clock from 5 to 6, from 5 to about 10 o'clock would be my latest. So, and the only time I would ever stay in bed till 10 o'clock is if it was a late night, YouTube viewers, if it was a late night. But that's pretty much it. That's all there is to the AEROGARDEN. You know, you need to check it. You check your plants constantly, which, you know, it kind of gives me something else to do, because at times I'm bored of my camper. You know, between my YouTube channel, I do have a lot going on for my YouTube channel. I have a lot of video games to go through, but sometimes, you know, sometimes you don't feel like doing video games. You get bored of it sometimes. Not Sonic Frontiers. I can never get bored with that. That is a fun game. But, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys have, you know, I haven't actually done much for the garden series. This is actually the very first video for this series, but trust me, YouTube viewers, this year is going to have a lot. We are going to be doing a ton of gardening, because right out here, I wish I could pick you up and show you it. I think I showed it in another video, maybe not. If not, you will definitely see it. We have a raised garden bed right out here, like straight out this way, and then down here over the hill, I have another area which I till, and I hand till it. You know, it's a lot more work, but I feel like it's better because I can get it better tilled, I feel. So I have, but I don't know if I'm actually going to be using it for the actual like plants. I think I'm going to use that area down there like for bush plants that can be left in year after year after year. Because like already I got blackberry bushes planted down there, and they're doing pretty good. They've turned into bushes. I have to get a fence around them because I've had deers been eating them. I've had a little bit of produce last year, but because I planted them like at the end of, like, it was transcending from fall to winter. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I basically set it up for you. There's not a whole lot to do, you know. You just put the seed pods in, you fill the water, and you add your food. I hope I put enough food in here. I don't know if I did. I will for the end of next week, I will definitely have I will not. But the next time that we need, it's 2 weeks, not the end of next week, but in 2 weeks, the next time I need to put food in here, I will definitely have a measuring, like I think I actually have, we have like the thing for medicine that you pull it up and you pull it up and then put it in. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you at the end of next week to show you the progress. I hope I get some really good plants. I don't know what else to say until I actually get some produce. So I guess that's where we're going to be ending this video. Join in next time, YouTube viewers, and we will be checking our progress on our plants. Until next time, YouTube viewers, Storm out.